Hey guys, Daniel Gourley here from 5 Words Media, and I am excited to be speaking with you today on another Tech Talk with ADJ's Focus Flex L7 fixture. This fixture is awesome. This is a beam fixture with a wash component with a little bit of pixelation. We're going to get into it in a second, but I want to chat with you first about a few specifics on this fixture. So this guy is a 7 by 40 watt fixture. That's 280 watts total. And this has red, green, blue, and lime pixels in it. So check this out. We've got red, okay, we've got green, we've got the blue, and we got the lime, and that lime allows us to mix some pretty amazing white colors inside this fixture. And I'm gonna go ahead, because I have the ability to, I'm gonna pan it over here on the wall, and we're going to take a peek at this guy over here. So currently, right now, this is in spot mode. So this fixture actually has the ability to zoom from crazy angles like 4 degrees all the way to 35 degrees. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out, and look at that. Look how immediately this became a huge wash light, and then I can focus back in, and I've got this huge little spot here. So we got wide, we've got spot, and let me go ahead and pan, or tilt rather, down a little bit. So here we go, we've got wide, and we've got our nice little wide, and then our spot. And remember what I said, this is a very, very, very bright fixture. So if I go all the way up, I have a beautiful bright field of view. I also have that red. Let me go ahead and pull these out. So I've got red, I've got green, and I've got blue in the fixture, as well as that lime output. And all of those you can basically mix together to choose different colors. Now, that said, I also have color temp presets. So that means that built into the fixture, I have the ability to do 2700 Kelvin all the way up to 4000 to 5000 Kelvin and beyond. This is 6500 Kelvin. So you have the ability to pick your color temperature, which helps you with matching your key light on stage. And this is a phenomenal front fixture. Now, that said, I want to go and I want to show you guys a couple of other little tasty tidbits. So I'm going to actually grab this guy here, and I'm going to point him towards you, okay, so we can actually look at the front. And you see this kind of little area here. This is the little kind of honeycomb pixels. So I'll go ahead and turn this up so you can kind of see what it's doing there. Let's do blue and green. Everybody loves blue and green. And in the fixture, in addition to the ability to obviously wash and zoom the fixture out, we have the ability to do some internal strobing, okay? So if you wanted that kind of eye candy, you have the ability to do that. But let's go ahead and keep it open now. Then we also have programs that are built into this, and the programs are actually very useful if you want to use this as like an eye candy kind of fixture. And we have control over the actual speed of the program. So if I want, I can make it go slower, or I can make that program go faster based on what I actually want happening inside the fixture. So guys, we have literally only touched on a little bit of this fixture. The Focus Flex L7 is just one of the many amazing fixtures that ADJ has, and I'm confident that if you are interested in this, we can put together a package for you for your church. It makes a great front wash, it makes a great wash that's up on that upstage wash that's pointing out. It gives you a little bit of eye candy. You have that red, green, blue, and lime, so we can mix a great punchy, nice white, or we can do a punchy kind of saturated color. And this is the fixture with that 5 degree to that 35 degree zoom for you. So if you're interested, go ahead and reach out to us at sales@5wordsmedia.com. We'll put together a proposal for you, or if you want to demo the fixture, we can send it to you so you can play around with it. Because guys, these are honestly amazing fixtures for the money, and we love putting them into churches, and we know it's going to work for you. So reach out to sales@5wordsmedia.com today for more amazing things like the Focus Flex L7. Thanks guys, see you soon, bye.